do. Let go of a prayer for you. Just a sweet word. The table is prepared for you. Wishing you Godspeed, glory. There will be mountains you won't move.
I have not been 100% transparent. This SVT is not clean.
No.
It is filthy.
It's disgusting. We are currently mobile detailing it with wipes that we got from a Quick Trip.
Sometimes I wonder if this pain is fucking gorgeous. Sometimes I wonder how much I could fucking take. Maybe it's just me and I'm just losing focus. Or maybe it's not me and it's just a game. And lately it's been fucking with my fucking mental. And lately I just hope that I don't act in vain. But life goes on and it's just a cycle. Life goes on and I just never knew my passion and love for you could turn my thoughts to gloom and doom. And now I sit to pray it, they ain't true. Now I'm lost inside my fucking thoughts, darkness in my fucking heart, don't know what the fuck is up. Nonetheless, I'm sick of hearing people giving advice, rather sick of it, never think twice, hoping one day I don't break.
Coming off, the dirt's coming off. Hold on. That's just one wipe!
I'm alright, too many times I just went to decay. Now I pray all my thoughts I convey, and I pray don't never feel this fucking pain again.